Socotra is an archipelago in the western Indian Ocean that has captured the imagination of sailors, scientists, and storytellers for centuries. Its rugged plateaus and wind-swept plains are home to a botanical marvel, the dragon's blood tree or Dracaena cinnabari. Over millennia, Dracaena cinnabari has evolved a remarkable adaptation to its arid environment. The archipelago hosts over 800 plant species, more than a third found nowhere else on Earth, alongside unique reptiles and birds whose survival often hinges on the shade and moisture provided by these giants. Intensifying droughts and cyclones linked to climate change uproot ancient specimens, while invasive goats graze on young saplings, impeding natural regeneration. And in 2008, UNESCO designated Socotra as a World Heritage Site, attracting vital research funding and conservation expertise. International organizations are working with local partners to restore degraded habitats, control invasive species, and raise awareness about Socotra's unique biodiversity. Donate now and be part of the dragon's blood tree conservation. Together, we can ensure that this ancient marvel continues to inspire all 4 generations to come. The focus is not just on protecting the dragon's blood tree, but on preserving the entire ecosystem it supports, ensuring that future generations can still marvel at its ancient lineage and the myths it inspired. Political instability in Yemen, where Socotra is located, further hampers coordinated conservation, leaving fragile forests fragmented and vulnerable. Socotra offers a blueprint for preserving the world's most unique ecosystems. By supporting Socotri guardians and amplifying international cooperation, we can ensure that the dragon's blood tree continues to thrive, its silhouette gracing the horizon and its legacy living on in stories yet to be told. Without the dragon's blood tree, entire evolutionary lineages could vanish, erasing chapters of life written over millions of years. Its densely packed canopy intercepts coastal mist and drifting clouds, channeling moisture down the trunks to nourish its roots. It's used to staunch wounds, treat gastrointestinal ailments, and even as a cosmetic pigment. This deep cultural bond underlines how the dragon's blood tree has shaped both the ecology and heritage of Socotra. This natural fog harvesting mechanism captures up to 40% of Socotra's scant annual rainfall, fostering microhabitats where seedlings of other endemic species can thrive. Beneath its crown, a humid oasis emerges, a stark contrast to the dry undergrowth and a refuge for life. These umbrella-shaped trees tower above limestone cliffs, exuding a deep crimson resin that fueled myths of alchemists and dragons among ancient mariners. Their otherworldly silhouettes have become emblematic of Socotra's unmatched biodiversity and the island's enduring lure for scientists and romantics alike. But the dragon's blood tree is more than just a spectacle. It is an ecological engineer shaping the very environment it calls home. The dragon's blood tree's role as a moisture magnet makes it a cornerstone of Socotra's unparalleled biodiversity. For generations, Socotri communities have tapped the red resin known as dragon's blood, prized for its astringent properties. Yet today, this ancient tree faces a precarious future. But amidst these challenges, hope takes root. Community-run nurseries have raised thousands of seedlings, reforesting degraded areas and providing local employment. The dragon's blood tree stands as a testament to life's tenacity and a beacon for conservation efforts worldwide. As we navigate the challenges of our changing planet, in the heart of the Indian Ocean, Socotra whispers tales of evolution and resilience. Will you help keep its story alive? Your support can make a real difference.